Hey, what's going on? Tony here from Learn Auto Body and Paint, and we have a simple question from a subscriber. Tony, I'm getting ready to paint my 65 Mustang and will be using 2K primer. If I use two coats, do I need to sand in between each coat? Now the answer is if you're spraying your two coats within the same day, you don't have to. Okay, even the next day, you really don't have to. But if you let it sit for a few weeks, you could give it a light scuff and then put another coat of primer on it. So if you're within your flash time, like I said, you are completely fine. 2 to 3 heavy coats. And I would, sometimes when you're spraying primer, you're thinking just, okay, put spray primer on it. That's one coat. But one coat could even be spraying primer and then spraying primer upward, making sure that it's very thick and filled if you have a lot of like bodywork areas or Bondo scratches and stuff that you're trying to fill up, imperfections and stuff. So you could just do that, spray that, wait 15 minutes or so, and then give it a quick another good coat going down the panel and then going back up the panel. So you basically kind of have like 4 heavy coats on it. You know what I mean? So the answer is no, you don't need to sand. So after that, you would basically let it dry really good for about at least 3 to 6 hours. It depends on the primer, the heat temperature outside, what you're using and stuff. But usually within 3 hours, it's pretty hard where you can sand it down and work with it. And if you want to let it really cure, just let it sit overnight, and the next day you can DA sand it down with 400 grit, dry sand or wet sand, and if that looks good, you're ready for paint. All right, so I actually have a step-by-step video of that if you go to learnautobodyandpaint.com. In fact, I'm going to put that video in the description here on YouTube. So if you just look in the description, click that video. I might even be able to put it on the top here in the suggested videos up here. Okay, so just check that link, click it, you'll come to this page where you'll have a bunch of primer videos. Another way to search it is just to go to learnautobodyandpaint.com, click the search bar and click, I just put spraying 2K primer, and it pulled up these videos that I worked with primers. This is using an aerosol can called Spray Max. This is some tips on primers. This is why your primer spray dry. Some kind of quick tips on how to solve that, and then this is a good one, Final Sanding Hacks 2K Prime Glaze Putty Dry and Wet Sanding. So this is actually a really good blog post as well, a vlog post. Alright, quick video for you guys. It's Tony here from learnautobodyandpaint.com. All you got to do to get a free 85-page auto body booklet is click right over here if you're on mobile, or down below if you're on desktop. Go to the home page here and download the free auto body manual that looks like this right over here. Put your email in, and then also check out VIP if you want. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Click the post notification bell so you get notified of new videos. Comment below, let me know what you think. Like the video, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.